Yo, what's up everyone? This is CryptoBox with another video. We create videos about blockchain games, NFTs, and more, so consider subscribing and hitting the bell icon so you don't miss big opportunities. So in today's video, we have something different. This is NFT Worlds, and NFT Worlds is a platform that I recently just checked out and noticed it by this tweet right here from Play to Earn Daily. And I was surprised that, I was expecting with NFT sales, definitely not NFT Worlds to be there, maybe Gala Games or something, maybe, because I'm not sure why Gala Games is not on here, because I'm pretty sure that they has to be like at least in the top 5, right? Because of how huge their market is and how many players are in there. But once I saw it was NFT Worlds, I was like, what is this? Like from the thumbnail right here, it looks like Minecraft already. Like I was like, okay, that looks exactly like Minecraft. I thought maybe it's a clone of Minecraft, and no, it's just Minecraft itself. As you can see, that's Minecraft. I know myself, that's Minecraft. You can literally see the textures and everything. And I was surprised. I was like, why is Minecraft in the NFT world scene or whatever? Because generally speaking, Minecraft is not a fan of like in-app purchases and all of this, or not in-app purchases, but like take example Hypixel, and like Hypixel is basically a huge server, basically the biggest server on Minecraft, and people can buy like ranks and coins and stuff with real money, and Minecraft doesn't like that. So it seems, I was like, how is NFT Worlds here? And so I looked through, and it looks pretty interesting. I mean, these right here, this is just a Minecraft avatar. You can go on Minecraft skins and just get one. And if you're asking how I know this, I've been playing Minecraft for like a long time, and I think I started around 2010. Around 2010 to 2011, I was playing Minecraft, or I started playing Minecraft at least. And I've been playing off and on of it. I'm not a fan of the new updates or whatever. I only like the previous versions, and one of these versions are the PvP versions, where it's like 1.7 and 1.8, where basically it's player versus player combat, and there's no survival or anything that you think Minecraft generally would be, building, survival, whatever. It's what I usually play, or normally would be playing, is combat PvP. So I do know a bunch of things about Minecraft. I guess I have hosted a few servers, and I've seen stuff like this, but not like in NFTs, just animations and mods and plugins and all this. And I was surprised to see this graph here too. You can see, a lot of people are getting into their project, like first time crypto players or first time crypto users or wallets have been joining this a lot. As you can see, I would say maybe half the population here would be from like new players. So I was kind of like, I was maybe thinking this is most of the people on Minecraft, maybe people who play Minecraft survival or something, saw this project and thought, why not try and sign up for it, which is reasonable. Here you can see a few like recordings, I guess. It's really nothing special. I'm not sure. This is just a few furniture mods and shader packs, and yeah, that's basically what makes this right here. But yeah, there is no metaverse or anything there. I just want to clear up, I don't want to do any false advertising for these guys. I'm sure they are not, because this is not from their own tweet. I'm just saying that many people think this is already in the metaverse. This is just a survival world with a few mods and shader packs and texture packs and all of that, just to make it look like it's in the metaverse. It is not in the metaverse. It's probably a map that's customly downloaded. But I'm not saying that I'm not a huge fan of this project, or I'm not a fan of this project. I'm saying that this project, it's pretty cool. Especially when I saw their OpenSea page, I saw this, the lands they're selling. They actually look really cool. Here you have more things about their project. A little cinematic. I've made a few cinematics with replay mod, so this is what they're using, because that is the only mod that can do this. with a few bit of like editing here and there. I've actually made cinematics for maps before, so I'm pretty familiar with these things at least. And yeah, this is just a few. This is like, I guess, I'm not sure if this is right, but this seems like their map for their holders or private holders. This is like some map for them. I'm not sure because I can't tell if this is what they built or something they just downloaded off the internet, because maps are downloadable off the internet, and I can't really tell if this is actually their map, because these trees, you know, I've seen a few times before, but the landscape outside there definitely looked like their land. So yeah, that's like an NFT world cinematic again. Looks, you know, it looks pretty decent. I don't want to say that I'm amazed, because I haven't seen anything special yet. You know, when I say special, I mean that plugins that can talk to the blockchain and communicate with the blockchain so that, you know, it's connected to the blockchain. Because these are just, you know, mods and plugins put together and a quick world, and that's it. It seems like they're also doing like some public mint right here, each being 0.4 Ethereum, which is a huge, like, high amount. But don't worry, if you go on OpenSea right here, some of their NFT worlds, not their avatars, their worlds are already 5.8 Ethereum. So you know, minting one of these might get you something, might not, I'm not sure. These are the characters, you know. Hopefully they made these skins, because I hope they didn't do the minimal effort of just downloading a bunch of skins other people have made for free just for the Minecraft community, and then, you know, they just use it to monetize themselves. Because that is, you know, a douchebag move. But other than that, after all the things that I've seen, it seems like it is, you know, a project with a goal. And luckily, it's not just with, you know, some avatar mint or whatever. You can actually check out their documents, and by that, their white paper. And this is the question I was looking right at. Why Minecraft? Why have they chose Minecraft out of all things? You know, you have a few other games that are so much easier to play, like way more easier to play, like compared to Minecraft, like Roblox. Roblox might be one. And Sandbox, that is already basically Minecraft at that point, but with a bunch of different features that incorporates it into the blockchain. So I looked into this, and it seems like they talk about why, and they said a familiar set of controls and ways to interact with worlds that are over 100 million players that already know how to use or play the game. This is true. Minecraft has the most like copies sold out of every single video game in history, which is means like, you know, it's #1 on the shelves, and it has cross-platform support. That is another point, which is a good point. World building tools through the Minecraft client. These are some plugins basically to like build things quick, or landscaping, or tools to basically just edit your world very fast and make huge buildings, basically. Because I have used these plugins before, especially World Edit, and they're talking about plugins here. And then they say, you know, full out-of-the-box support for custom game mechanics in world, 3D playable and non-playable models, custom texturing. Yeah, this is true. You have like texture packs that can be modified and played to your server. Modifiable physics, that is true with the game settings and server settings and all that. You know, you can like basically do everything you need without building an entire game engine, which I don't know why they say that. They can use, you know, game engines that are already built for them, but I'm sure that Minecraft is way easier to build on, because I build servers on Minecraft, like I said before, and it is way easier than using something like Unreal Engine or Blender to get some models and all of this. So I will give them the benefit of the doubt that, you know, most of these are true. Now, the different thing is that here they say immediate access to thriving ecosystem of open source mods, configurability, and server infrastructure, and more. This is basically all true, because all mods do have their like programming and code open already, so you can change it up for and change your configs. But the problem is there is not a single plugin that works and utilizes it properly to be built on the, or like connect to the blockchain basically, which is the problem. The like probably the biggest problem they're facing, and I'm guessing that problem is going to be a hard thing to fix up, or like I guess connect to the blockchain. And then here they say that a programmable system that lets world owners create and world interactions that interface directly with smart contracts and web APIs. Yes, you can connect to web APIs with plugins mods again, or basically plugins, because they are using a server. But the smart contracts, I'm not sure how they will do this. Maybe they can use a web API to like make a link in the text box or text chat. If you know Minecraft, sometimes you'll click a sign or right click a sign, it will show in the text box on your bottom left, and you will click it and it'll open a link and it will show a page, and I guess you can connect your MetaMask or something and it will just teleport you to your land. I'm pretty sure that's like the easiest way to do it, but obviously I'm not a developer or something, so I'm not like someone that can just say that it's easy or something. But you can see this is also a world token they're actually working on. So this is the token ticker world, and it's just called world or NFT world. And players will be using world tokens to access exclusive experiences, items, perks, and content within the NFT worlds, which is, you know, pretty basic. Obviously, if you're gonna have, you know, a shop in the Metaverse Minecraft or something, obviously you might as well be paying with a coin, a crypto coin. Here they talk about how they decentralize Minecraft servers and clients. I'm not sure exactly how, but here you can see, like, let's say NFT World's game launcher and Minecraft client. So it seems like they're making their own like launcher. Like if you play on if you do the PvP things like I do, like I guess combat, and there is some different clients for Minecraft. One of them would be like Lunar client, where it's like this own client. You can change settings about it, you can have animations, emotes, and all of this, and they have their own little shop. I'm guessing they're doing something like this, and with their world token instead, and then it's gonna connect to the world server router, and then the world server is open source and self-hostable, so that goes back to connect back to your Minecraft. And then that goes around, and it seems like it connects to the world ERC20 token, which I'm not sure how this exactly works now that it, you know, did its full extension or full rotation. It goes back to the world server, which is open source and self-hostable. But that's the thing, Ethereum 2.0 is in development, and soon it's not something that you can mine or self-hostable or whatever with the Ethereum blockchain, but it's possible still with the Minecraft servers and all of that. So that's just basically one problem. So it seems like NFT Worlds is actually, you know, a pretty decent idea. One thing I think personally is that, you know, it's still a project with just a whitelist, or not a whitelist. They don't even have a whitelist actually. But it's just a project with a white paper, a Twitter, and nothing else to back them up. You know, that's what I'm thinking here. You know, I'm not seeing enough information to make sure myself is fine here to take this risk or something. But obviously high risk, high reward. But, you know, there is still a risk. That's the point of high risk. And that's what I'm thinking here. You know, this could be risky in my opinion. This is just all my opinion. Don't take this as financial advice. Don't take anything as financial advice from me. And always do your own research, because I'm not a financial advisor, and all of this is just educational content. But yeah, that's NFT Worlds. Hopefully, you know, you learn more about, you know, what I think of this project. I personally think it's something I shouldn't be too excited about, because honestly, I've seen at least 90% of the stuff already. I've done 90% of the stuff already. I just haven't done the blockchain incorporation part or whatever. But yeah, that's NFT Worlds, you have their OpenSea, looks pretty cool. Huge, like high floor price. I'm not sure exactly what their last mint price was and if it raised, but you can see it was an all-time high, or like average price basically, of 18 Ethereum. And still, some of them do sell for a pretty high price in the list here. So tell me, what do you think of NFT Lands? Hopefully you appreciate this video and learned something new. You can also join our Twitter and Discord server to be a part of our like-minded community, and don't forget to like and subscribe to support the channel, and I'll see you guys later. Peace.